G'day peoples, just doing the wiring after swapping these tailgates over, and this connection here is the one that I explained in a different video. It's the only one that didn't power up, the other two connected fine. Now what I'm finding with this connection here, it comes over and with the multimeter it appears that I've got two earths and two actives. Now this one here is only active with the rear wiper, and that's fine. This one here is active all the time. And what we've got here, we've got the blue white trace, one grey, blue yellow trace, double grey, and like a funny type of green looking colour with double grey. I'll follow them through and we come up to here to the rear wiper only. So we've got the blue trace, the blue wire with the white trace. We've got the blue wire with the yellow, yellowy green trace, and we've got that funny looking, actually it looks more green on the camera. I'm just looking at the camera, it looks more green on the camera. In person it looks very faint. Nice. Okay, so they're I'm minusing the earth. These are the three wires that come over to here. So it's all to do with the wiper. So I'm going to go to the other van now, with the original door to this van, and have a trace back these wires, the colour codes, and find out what they go to, and hopefully I can puzzle this out. Okay, so things are starting to add up. So I've got it wired here. You got the earth, which is the white black trace. I've got that going to the white wire. The green red trace, yellow wire, blue black trace going to the green, and just blue is brown, with using a trailer harness to bring that connection across. And here we've got the green red trace, we've got the blue black trace and blue, and this one here I'm going to have to earth to the chassis to get the earth, because that's not connected through that way anymore. It might be wired through the system another way, so I'll get onto that, and I should have a functional wiper of different speeds. And well, you've got the different speeds, you've got the pulsing speed, and then you've got the just constantly on speed, which I don't have at the moment. Okay, so I've worked it out. So you've got your blue black trace and your green, and the earth is not included, that's not needed for here. So if I follow the blue black trace, which is connecting to the green wire here, that comes over to the blue green trace. So blue black trace equals blue green trace, and the blue going to the brown wire there. So blue equals blue white trace, and that green black trace is this one here. It's the green with the double grey tag. So now that that's all sorted out, I can terminate these properly, solder them up, put some heat shrink on them, finish this connection up, tuck the wire away, and finish putting this roof on. That means that this earth wire here is ran through the wiring a different way through those connections, or maybe it's jumped off another way here. It doesn't really matter. The fact that is that it works. I don't need to ground or anything. So I'll just show you the wiper working as it should, and then I'll close this video off so I can just do this wiring properly. Okay, so the first setting, and that there's quite a bit of a delay there before it wipes again, but that's how that works. I'll just wait for it to go for another cycle there. So you can see it's working, and if I put it on full speed, that's working exactly how it should. So I hope this clip helps someone else out that does a tailgate swap, and then you got the wiring there, and you're left like me, you're like, well, which wire goes to what? Because I'm not the only one who's going to be swapping tailgates and doing the wiring on it, and which wire went to what. And no doubt that between all the years of the vans, that other vans out there would probably have different wiring colours again. But hopefully seeing the connections on the gate and on the connection there, that you can work out which wire goes to what on your own van. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.